Okay, now I think you all are listening to me, and I'm going to teach you right now life process, the ongoing chapter of biology. And till now, I have taught you about what is living things and what is non-living things. Okay, and I have already taught you that what are the six main differences between a living or non-living beings. Okay, as we know that they are growth, movement, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition, and okay, and one thing is what, again 1 minute, again movement, growth, nutrition, excretion, respiration and reproduction. Okay, and we have already known to that what is the life process. The life process are the process undergoing in the living organism to sustain life. For example, the previous six topics. Okay, now we are going to know, and we have done some questions of the second page of your life process chapter, that what one thing is that how, okay, how can multicellular organisms do not participate in diffusion. Okay, and I have already told you that what is diffusion. Okay, diffusion, that means of flow of gases from very high concentration towards the low concentration. Okay, and it need only one or two cells, but in the multicellular organism there are more than two cell, almost thousand lakh cells. Okay, that's why in multicellular organism okay, the multicellular in a multicellular organism diffusion cannot occur. It is as there are not all the cells are connected to each other, and if the cells will connected to each other, then diffusion can occur. Okay, then the next thing that we have learnt about the DNA. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. And we have learned that what does a DNA do. A DNA just copying all the inheritance from the parent to the offspring, and it is known as the blueprint of the gene because it contains the gene inside it. Okay, the next thing is that we have learned what we have learned the full form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Actually, it is made up of nucleic acid, which is put inside the chromosome. Chromosome is made up of chromatin and nucleic acid, and in the nucleic acid it is DNA. DNA just only copying the masses from the previous to the next generation, and the rest of the copying the masses, transferring the masses, synthesize the masses are done by RNA. RNA is full form ribonucleic acid. Okay, it is of three types: mRNA, okay, tRNA and sRNA. Synthesis RNA, messenger RNA, transfer RNA, whatever. Okay, the next thing that we have learned that okay, all these things we have learned. The next thing we will learn what is nutrition. Okay, what is nutrition? Nutrition and eating foods are two different things. If you are just getting something inside your body to get some energy by breaking it in the smaller nutrient, okay, smaller parts. Suppose whenever you sit down at that some place, you apply some energy, and this energy is the potential energy due to your that position. Whenever you want to change your that position, you lose some energy because you have already provided energy in that shape. Same as whenever a food is just like this, and whenever we have put it inside this, they acquire some potential energy due to its shape, and whenever we broke this, it lose some energy there, and our cells from this place acquire energy to utilize them. Okay, this process is called nutrition. It may be from the gases, it may be from the chemicals, it may be from the food, water, etc. Then what is the definition of nutrition? Place the heading. Nutrition. The process of taking food, the process of taking food inside the body and converting it into smaller molecules which can be absorbed by the body is called nutrition. I repeat, the process of taking of food inside the body and converting it into smaller molecules which can be absorbed by the body is called nutrition. Okay. Why do we need nutrition? Why? It is due to gain energy. Why do we gain energy? Because we want to sustain our life. If we don't gain energy, we will lost our life and die. Then place the heading need of nutrition. Okay. Nutrition is right. Nutrition is needed to provide energy for doing any activity and provide essential nutrients for life process. I repeat, nutrition is needed to provide energy for doing any activity and provide essential nutrients for life processes. Okay. Now we will learn about what does means of nutrients. Okay, simply what does means of nutrients. Okay, just understand it. Okay, you may place the heading nutrients. Okay, materials which provide nutrition to organisms are called nutrients. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, lipids, minerals, etc. are nutrients. Okay. Now, how they are nutrients? Just I want to say, so such as whenever we take vitamins, they do not build up our body but help in the metabolic system. What does means of metabolic system? It just only increase the rate of reaction inside our body. If we are able to digest our food in 1 minute, a vitamin can increase the rate of reaction and we can digest our food within the 45 seconds. If we are able to fulfill our sleep in 6 hours and we have enough protein, then we can complete it in 5 hours. This means the vitamins increase the rate of reaction inside our body. Proteins are just known as building material. They all are nutrients. Okay. Now we will write the function of different nutrients. Then place the heading function of different nutrients. Function of different nutrients. Nutrients का spelling बता रहा हूँ, NUTRIENTS. Okay. Then point number first, carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients. Full stop. These nutrients are found in wheat, rice, corn, chocolates, and anything sweet, anything that tastes sweet. Okay. Okay. Point number Second, after changing your paragraph, proteins, vitamins, and minerals are used for making body parts like skin, blood, bones, etc. Example of some protein. Example of some protein. Example of some protein. Point number first, keratin. Keratin. And keratin is present where? Just guess. Okay. Keratin is present in hair. B. Elastin. Elastin is present in muscles of tongue, lips, vagina, penis, etc. C. Collagen. 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 It is also a protein. It is present in our skin. It is present in our skin. Then these are some proteins which are useful for us. Okay, now place the heading mode of nutrition. Now place the heading mode of nutrition. What is the meaning of mode? Mode means the way, the path by which we follow something in our life, right? Okay, then the mode of nutrition are of generally two types. Okay, generally two types. The first mode of nutrition, okay, now place the heading mode of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. First, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Second, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, now place the heading first, autotrophic mode of nutrition. You will underline autotrophic. Okay, autotrophic, and you will write like this. Okay, you will write like this. If you can see, I think it's lateral shift. You will place autotrophic and underline the auto and write below self and trophic. Trophic means movement. Trophic means not movement. Sorry. Trophic means taking food. Trophic means taking food. Okay. Hence, we will write autotrophic. Autotrophic mode of nutrition means the mode in which organism make their food with the help of their own thing. Okay, with the help of their own thing. Example, photosynthesis. Example, photosynthesis. Clear? Now para change and we will write the organism which do the organisms which do autotrophic mode of nutrition are known as Autotrophs. 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 Okay, good. This one was autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. Now we will learn what are photosynthesis and what are autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. Example of autotrophs are all green plants, autotrophic bacteria, some green algae, etc. Okay. Now place the heading heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Spelling is Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We will underline heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and hetero means others and trophic means nutrition. Okay. Then change the para and write the mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other organism for their food. Okay. Para change. The organism which participate in autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. Okay. Para change. Write the example of autotrophs. Are called heterotrophs. Okay. Example of heterotrophs. Human beings, cats, dogs, etc. Okay, now we will move further and know about. I'm just opening your book. That's I'm getting some time. Don't worry. I'll open it soon. And okay. This is opening. Wait. Okay. Now we have learned about water nutrition and a mode of nutrition. Okay. Then now we will learn about. Okay. There is we go. What are the life processes done? Okay, and the questions are done. Okay, nutritions. Okay, autotrophic mode of nutrition we have done. Okay, heterotrophic mode of nutrition we done. Now place the heading photosynthesis. Place the heading photosynthesis. Have you placed? If okay, now listen. If okay, now listen. The process of making food by the green plants or organisms which contain chlorophyll In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, with the help of CO2 and H2O to provide carbohydrates, O2, some heat and water vapor. It's called photosynthesis. Now place the heading photosynthesis again and write, underline it actually. Underline the photosynthesis. Photo means PHOTO. Photo means light, and synthesis means absorption. ABSORPTION, absorption. Okay. Now the means is what? The absorption of light energy by the chlorophyll. No, you will have not, you don't have to write this right now. I will say what is about to write. Okay. I am just saying you what happens. The sunlight comes from the sun to the plant, and the chlorophyll are the green pigment that are very sensitive to sunlight. Okay, whenever sunlight falls on it, simply whenever sunlight falls on it, what happen? You get some energy, you get some heat, and after getting some heat, the molecules are getting some kinetic energy, and due to kinetic energy, they start moving. Okay, in same way, suppose there is a leaf. Okay, and sunlight falls here, and if there is chlorophyll, the molecule of chlorophyll get kinetic energy and start move, wants to move. Okay, wants to move, but do not move. What happen? There is guard cells like this, yes, like this, guard cells, and there is guard cells. Okay, I want to say, I want to show you, and I have already shown to you. You may place the heading. Okay, it is little bit difficult to teach all of you by the videos, but I am trying my best. Okay, so then okay, actually there is a picture of guard cells in your book also, but I want to say you from my side. Okay, then you are looking of this. Okay, these are guard cells, these circles are, okay, guard cells, and this containing the one part is called stomata. Actually this is not stomata, this is not stomata, this whole is called stomata, this whole is called stomata, and these are guard cells, and guard cells are completely filled with chloroplast. Okay, guard cells are completely filled with chloroplast. Chloroplast are packets, these circles are packets. Okay, understand? And inside the packet there is a fluid filled which is known as what? Chlorophyll. Whenever sunlight falls on it, these chlorophyll get some energy and want to expand, and simply whenever they are stick to each other. Okay, and whenever there is sunlight, they want to expand each other, then they repel each other. Okay, like this. Okay, and there is chloroplast. Whenever they want to repel each other, they open, and as they open, sunlight enters inside it, and simply whenever there's sunlight enters inside it, and what happens? The gas okay, the gas which are outside, CO2 and the water, meet to each other and make what? All the foods. Then write the process how photosynthesis happen. Okay, you may place the heading, what? Reaction during photosynthesis. Reaction during photosynthesis. Okay, CO2 plus H2O gives, in between the medium, I have told you how to write the reaction, and there is a reaction inside your book. In the medium chlorophyll and sunlight, it will gives you C 6 H12 O6 plus O2 plus O2 and plus energy and plus water vapor. Okay, then now balance your reaction by multiplying some digits. I will teach you in the chemistry first chapter what is the meaning of balancing the equation, and I think I have told you previously. If don't, I will tell you next. Okay, now multiply 6 with CO2, 6 with H2O and 6 with O2. Hence your reaction is complete. Okay. Now some question occur, what happened during photosynthesis? Okay. Then place the heading reaction occur during photosynthesis. Reaction occur during photosynthesis. Okay. The first one, light energy is converted into chemical energy by chlorophyll. Okay. Again, light energy is converted into chemical energy by chlorophyll. Second, reduction of carbon dioxide to TO, carbohydrates. Okay. These two things occur during photosynthesis. Then goodbye for today, and we will learn next. Okay. Okay, this is the chapter life process of the biology, first chapter. Now make the notes, learn it, and I will ask you, and I will ask you by asking some question in the written next time. Okay, goodbye.